Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing another eyeshadow tutorial for you guys today. Very, very simple look. This is what the look looks like. And these are the colors I'm using. If you have colors that are similar to these, you can achieve this same exact look. I have a gold, a terracotta, and a medium brown, and that is all you will need. For you girls out there that are a little bit more technical and want to know the exact palette I'm using the Copper Spice 25A, and the shadow colors that I am using are Tan Lines, Afterlife, and Sunbeam. You can get this palette at Ulta. I think it's like $18. But for you girls that don't want to go out and buy this palette, if you have similar colors, you can totally achieve this look. So let's get to that video right now, that tutorial. And if you could, please hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button and the tiny little bell. Let's get to that video. Go ahead and start with the crease color. I'm going to take just a nice eyeshadow fluffy brush here. This is one by Wet n Wild. And I'm taking that matte crease color, the matte brown, and I'm just gonna do windshield wiper motions back and forth like this. Now I actually take it to the lower part and the higher part of my crease. You guys can see if you have the proper type of eyeshadow brushes, it automatically kind of already blends those edges to be really lovely. You can take the Wet n Wild brushes, are very, very reasonable in price. Take the terracotta looking brown color, and I'm just going to pat it on to the lid area right here. Just patting it and packing it down. I'm trying to, and then I'm going to take it into the corner right here. I'm patting because I really try not to put much pressure, and I try not to tug on my eye because I really don't want to create wrinkles. So the less tugging on the eye, the better. So I'm just kind of patting it into that corner, touching the edge of that crease. Now with the same color, I'm going to take it on another eyeshadow brush. You can use the same one that you were using for the crease color. Same color, just with an eyeshadow brush and doing circular motions right here. I'm taking it up into the corner of that crease, into that higher crease. And then I'm just going to swipe it back and forth to kind of make sure that this blends with this, just a little bit on this corner. After that is done, I'm going to get a packer brush. I'm going to take that beautiful accent color, that beautiful gold color, and I'm just going to pat it down right in the center of the lid. I think that this is a very, very pretty look to do with your eyeshadows because it brings that focal point right there. Now this look kind of opens your eye a little bit more because I'm not enclosing on the crease. I'm just patting it up into there and elongating this portion of the eye because of that. See how it looks longer, but if I would have closed it off, it would have made my lid look a little bit smaller. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply some eyeliner and some lashes. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so to complete the look, I'm gonna take that matte brown that we put in the crease, and I'm going to go ahead and smoke out the bottom lash line like this. So I just have a flat brush, and I'm just going to swing it back and forth underneath my lashes. Take that nice brown terracotta color and kind of add it just at the corner right here. And to complete it, I'm going to put some mascara on. On the waterline, I'm going to take a brown, this is just a darker brown eyeliner, and I'm going to go ahead and do my waterline. Line my waterline. Now, when I line my waterline, I like to kind of push into the lashes so that the eyeliner and the bottom color kind of match. And I will take that brush sometimes and kind of like smudge them together. So guys, did you like the eyeshadow tutorial? Let me know in the comment section down below. I think the shadows, they look so, so beautiful. And like I was mentioning, if you have colors similar, you can do the exact same look. Like, you don't have to go spend $1 billion to get $1 billion look. Even though I wish I had $1 billion. Anyways, please hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment down below. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.